Alright, so in this video, since the last time I have taken to sanding the guitar body, so I was worried about potentially screwing the finish of the soft basswood up on my router table, so I sanded all these edges and radiused them. It's hard to see in the video, but there's about an 1/8 inch radius all the way around this thing on both sides, and I did that with just a sanding block by hand. The cut for the back here, the relief, is pretty well sanded. I've got a little bit left to do kind of in these areas to finish it up, but other than that, it is pretty good to go. Another thing is I found this laying around. This is kind of like a pearloid sparkle green material that I had bought to use on another project that I think I am going to make a pick guard out of, and that will kind of dictate my body color here. So I think I'm probably gonna stain this like a blonde, or somewhere between a blonde and a vintage amber, and then have a sparkly green pick guard on it. So that ought to be pretty different, pretty cool. I sanded on the guitar neck quite a bit to finish the shape here, smoothed it all out, smoothed the back of it out. There was a little bit that needed to be done here. It was kind of rough all the way down, so I sanded that with a block as well. I touched up some of the frets that had some sanding scratches. They really weren't that bad. Sanded this other side as well. And then this is your guitar neck straightness tool. This one is actually set up so that it'll both do the Fender scale length and the Gibson scale length, so 25.5 and 24 3/4. And at first I was a little scared, because how you use this is you put it on, you know, the first fret and down, and it's hard to see, I'm sure, in the camera, but right now I've got it pretty much dead on flat across all the frets, which is a heck of a shock to me. And I did that by just adjusting the, you know, truss rod in here just a little bit. I think I probably took a 1/4 of a turn out of it. It had a bow, you know, this way in it when I got it, and so this guy at first was rocking all over the place and scared me a bit, but no, she came out perfectly dead straight. And then, to really blow my mind, this edge is supposed to be used on this gauge tool as a straight edge to check the fret straightness, and I kid you not, there is no daylight underneath any of these frets all the way across. So at first I thought I was going to have to dress these quite a bit, and it looks like I might get lucky and not have to. So yeah, pretty cool. This week I'm probably going to, I'm waiting for my ferrules to come in for the string through body, and then I'm going to mount the drill the guitar body, mount the neck to the body, and then I will measure and make sure I get my scale length right, place my bridge plate, mark it, drill the holes for the string through, counterbore the ferrules, and then potentially work on, you know, putting the finish on this thing. So just kind of a quick update video. So yeah, that's where we sit. Surprisingly, the $65 eBay guitar had a nice straight usable neck. Kind of blown me away. And yeah, we're making good progress.